This program hexagonal pyramid, side base of 40 mm and axis 80 mm long, rest with one of edges of its base on HP and axis are inclined at 30° to HP and parallel to VP. Draw its projections as like previous one. So you have to open AutoCAD. Basic commands is already given. So directly I move to start drawing. Take a line. Line. It's a reference line. It's a yellow color. So you have to change by layer color. As usual, take a polygon. Number of sides 6. Enter. Edge E. Enter. Specify the first end. So pick here. Just to move like that. So one end in HP. So the dimension is given, that is 40. So enter 40. Click OK. Here the prism dimensions. Then here you have to draw the projection lines. Polarization on here, here to here, and as like here to here. It's a prism, okay. So height, it is given 80 mm. So 80, enter, and join this line, and again T, join this line, join this lines. Okay. Then you have to copy, then move, then rotate 30° angle. So take copy command, select objects, select, just put enter, and see the base point here. Just I am moving here to here and escape. And again go for rotation command. So take rotate, select object, enter, see the base point, this one, anti-clockwise. So we need to minus 30°, sorry, minus 60°, minus 60, enter. Okay. Then make extend line option, extend this line and this line, put enter, this one. Okay. You have to check a angle. Here it is 30°, okay. Our projection is right. Just control Z. I will just move this object, enter, paste to here. For projection purpose only. No need. Then draw a projection line as like previous one. Line to here, then here to here, then here to here, then here to here. Okay. Then you have to the center point. Okay. Then join these corners. this corners also. From the center to die line, then here to here it is enough. Here to here it is also enough. Here to here, then here to here. We have to change the color. According to the intersection point, we have to draw the lines. Okay, it is center. It is also center. So this one. Then this is the third line. And the second line is also here. The third line is hidden line. So this one here. Then this point also here. Center mid base. Join this line. Then again take line. Join this. So this one. Then take line. Join this one to this one. Remaining are the hidden lines. So take a hidden line option. We already selected hidden line. This hidden line. This hidden line. Hidden line. And here also one hidden line. Then take pike layer. Draw one line to. Sorry, it is in hidden line. So change the play layer here. Take line here to here also. Okay, now you dark all the lines. So select here to here, this line and this line. Take by layer, line width setting, display line width. Select these lines, by layer, line width 30. Likewise, to select this one, this one, this one's also 30. Okay. Zoom, enter, all enter. Remaining you have to select the text and give HPVP and another notations. All dimensions are in mm, scale 1:1, etc. Like this, using rubber. 80 mm, dimensions 30. Then A, B, C, D, E, F, O, O dash, C, C dash, A dash, F dash. Projection, A1 dash bracket, here B1 dash, here O1 dash. Like that you have to refer all the text and give it. Thank you. So any comments, please come ask a doubt in comment box. I will answer to you.